Meaning of elliptically.
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 Elliptically. Elliptically is an adverb that describes something as being shaped like an ellipse, which is a geometric shape resembling a flattened circle. When used to describe something such as the orbit of a planet, elliptically refers to a path that is not perfectly circular but rather elongated and slightly flattened. In general, elliptical shapes can have a wide range of interpretations depending on context, but they often suggest a curvature that is smooth and continuous, while also being asymmetrical in some way.